Hi, I'm Nina Sutton, and welcome back to Forever Fabulous Lifestyle. So today I want to talk about something that I think has become, maybe an unsung hero or something we don't really focus enough about, but now we are, and that's like body care. Meaning we've been focusing so much on our faces, right? All the skincare, the exfoliation, you name it. But now it's time to focus on the rest of your body, or will I say, focus on the rest of my body? And here's what I've been doing. One of the things is dry brushing. Dry brushing has been around for years. It's something people have done. They've either done it for health reasons or maybe beauty. And I will say there's so many benefits to it. And it is one of the steps I do now to make my skin feel good. And last year I had my fabulous 55th F off cancer birthday party. And so now I just had another birthday party. So you guys can do the math. And one thing that I found really interesting, because I wanted to go and maybe be poolside or to the beach with some of my friends, and some of them really didn't want to. They just didn't feel super comfortable in their skin. I found that so fascinating, and this is one of the reasons I wanted to do this segment, this episode of Forever Fabulous, because there are things you can do to make your skin look and feel good as you get older. And one thing I've done for a long time is dry brushing. Now, a lot of people have done it too. It's been tried and true for various reasons. Some people have used it for health reasons, to increase circulation, but it does help to exfoliate your skin. It does help to make you feel energized. Again, that's my opinion, but it does energize me. So I'd say for about 2 to 3 minutes before I get in the shower, I will dry brush my skin. And I will just use these upward motions towards my heart. And that's what really gets everything moving. That really even helped me in that little moment. This is something to get all of that dead skins, just to get your skin prepped for your shower, for whatever is gonna come. But it really does make a difference in your skincare program. So after I do that, here's the thing. It's like trend alert. Everybody needs to do what they've been doing for their face on their body. And I love these new products. These are really my favorites right now. So this is gonna be part one. This is the what you do in the shower, what you do in the bathtub. And just wait, because the next episode is going to be all about what you do after, just like you do on your face. So one thing I like to do now is have that extra bit of skincare in the shower, because I do want to wear my shorter skirts, or wait, I'm going to pop out here my shorts. So I do know I want my skin to look really great. So what do I use on my face? Well, I like to use my glycolics. I like to use my retinols. Well, here we go. Dove has come out with a line. It's a glycolic serum wash. There you're gonna get that exfoliation. It's very gentle, but it does give you a little bit of that glow. It gets some of those dead skin cells off. It rejuvenates your skin. It helps to stimulate collagen production. One of my favorites. And also a hydration boost. Having a little bit of those ingredients like the hyaluronic acid and everything else, again, that you would use on your face, but now we're gonna use on our body because we can do that. Okay, I like to exfoliate, especially my hands, my feet, maybe some dry areas like my elbows or knees. Lilicious has been one of my favorite brands for years. If I open it up, and you're gonna laugh if I actually show you this because I've been using it so much, but it's crystallized sugars combined with oils. And when you use it, it does exfoliate your skin, and it also does leave some moisture to it that gives you that glow, that gives you that smooth feeling. Now, I'm not gonna do this every single day. You know what? Maybe not. But once a week, just having a manual exfoliator on your body really makes a difference. Now, I am gonna leave what I think is the best for last. And this is the Natrium Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. And again, one thing you might notice, it's half full. I'm gonna say half full, not half empty. It's one of my favorite products ever. It goes on so easily. It smells delicious, and it really gives me like an at-home spa experience. It makes my skin feel smooth. It makes my skin feel luxurious. It makes my skin feel sexy. There's so much I can say about this product. It has oils in it. It's got lipids in it. It's got the most amazing fragrance in it. This is my luxury product, and I will say I do it every single day. It makes me happy, and that's actually, wait, hold on. That's what makes me happy. This is what counts. It makes me happy, and it makes my skin look really, really, really good. So one thing I've learned is that showers or baths, they can be so important. But here's the thing, if we do it like too hot or don't have the right products in the shower, our skin can get dry, it can get irritated. So that's why we want to have products that actually bring in the moisture, seal in the moisture while we're in there. And that just gives us a base to make it more moisturized afterwards and to make it look healthy. It's a luxury. It feels good. It makes you feel rejuvenated. So now with these products that we can actually use, and we can show off our skin a little bit more, and we can feel confident about it, and we can feel moisturized, maybe a little less crepey. And I think all of you out there know what I'm talking about on that one. So this is why these are some of the most important products now that I'm incorporating into my routine, and I hope you guys all do too. Thank you so much. I'm Nina Sutton, and remember to stay forever fabulous.